y'all? So for today's video, getting a late start to it, but I got some great news because today I'm gonna go pick up a new seat, and it is a SPARCO seat in mint condition with mint rails, so I don't have to have this damn rocking chair seat anymore. My man Brian gonna take this off my hands. So we're gonna head down to Jupiter to go pick up the seat. I got it for a great deal as well. I hope it's a real seat. I'm not sure if it's real or not, but hey bro, I shouldn't be buying this seat due to priorities, but I gotta tap into my little savings, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get this seat, bro. I mean, it's a great deal, and once I get the seat and show you guys the stuff, I'll tell you how much I got it for and stuff like that, because, you know, I know y'all want to know that stuff like that. You don't want to, So without further ado, let's head down to Jupiter and pick up this seat, son. Definitely not taking 995 back home. God damn, that's backed up, yo. Focus because I can't see, but I just picked up the seat. Oh, it looks so good. Gonna show you guys when I get home how the seat looks and stuff like that, because it's way too dark to show you guys. So this is the seat that I picked up right here, SPARCO seat. And it's actually a legit seat. I'll show you how that I know it's a legit seat, because when the guy did this, and boom, they got the SPARCO stamp right there. Shout out to my man Brian for sending me the post for the seat. I picked up this SPARCO seat with Integra rail for $100, bro. I got this seat for $100, and it's in mint condition. The only thing I have to do, since it's sat for a year in its garage, is like clean that off. It's like little dirt on it, but other than that, this one's all fully white and this has a little dirt. Now I'm gonna keep this video going until tomorrow, so tomorrow you'll have the install of the seat that I've filmed and everything like that, and give you guys a review of the seat and whatnot. I'm so glad it's a SPARCO. SPARCO is my favorite seat brand just because of Paul Walker. You know what I'm saying? That man had a big influence on me getting into cars and the whole car thing in general. So I'm glad that I can somehow keep Paul within my car of having a SPARCO seat. Yeah, it sounds cheesy and corny, but hey, that's my dude right there. That's my dude. That boy Brian came by to pick up his brand new bride seat. Boy, Cleve. Boy, Brian bought the studio to my crib. I'm finna take high school photos again. Got the little light thing set up because I'm gonna have to winch the car later. Having a freshly painted car and using it as a daily is not a good idea. Alright, so we'll start by removing the seat. 12mm. One there. I feel like Casey Neistat with that light, boy. Seat's already out. We just gotta pull it out now. That's it, boy. Dang, no seat in my car. Lit. I'm finna sell it. See how much I can get off of it.
What, the seat?
My car, fool. That boy Brian is out of here. He got his seat. I actually rinsed the car with this lights that he let me use. Now I'm trying to find my ShamWow towel thingy majig so my thing doesn't dry out. That's why I hate doing things at night, because I lose and misplace things. But let's continue this video when it's daylight outside. Yo, so it's the next day and it's time to finally install my seat. Now that we have daylight, I can show you guys the seat in a much better lighting environment. Well, maybe I should put the seat out in the sun so you can see it better. So this is the seat exposed in that nice Florida sunlight. It's all black, got like some doggy hairs on it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's pretty mint seat, bro. It is pretty freaking mint. And it's not a replica seat, so it's a legit SPARCO seat. I mean, you couldn't really make replica SPARCOs because they already come cheap. Like, they're not that expensive to obtain. And like I said last night, I got this for $100, and you can buy them brand new for like $400 for the Sprint seats. The Evo 2s are a little bit more expensive, but this is perfect for what I want. I just got to get a passenger seat now. But yeah, man, so happy with getting this find, bro. Shout out to my man Brian again for actually buying my old bride and then sending me the link to buy this seat. So everything worked out for the both of us. Now, time to install it. Okay, so now that I got the seat in, all I have to do is just hit them with the 12mm bolts in all 4 of the holes, and that's pretty much it. I mean, you know, it ain't hard to install the seat because I already got the seat rails on it, so I don't have to worry about that. So yeah, all I gotta do is just bolt them in, and that's it. Quick little intermission, I just installed. Yeah, I installed a new 4-banger sticker Kev gave me when I went over to his cribbo. It's yellow, so now I got like the cool, colorful back thing of all my supporters of the build and whatnot and stuff. That's pretty cool. And also, he hooked your boy with a brand new, not even out yet, limited edition 4 Bangers Production dual pull keychain in yellow. And that is clean. So I haven't sat in the seat yet, so why not sit in it now? Oh, whoa. So my first initial thoughts on the seat is like, damn, it feels good. Like, I sit a little bit higher than I did with the Bride, I feel like, but it's SPARCO, son. It's SPARCO. But it feels great, bro. Can't wait to drive for long distance. Got a little bit more leg room. I'm a size 30 waist, and I think this is like a 32, but like, this is not that bad. Let me scoot it down a little bit. So it'll be like this, got my clutch foot. Not that bad, yo. Pretty cool. Pretty comfy. Dope. This is all right. This is all right. But I think right now, me and Randy and Robert finna go look at the shop that we've been talking about doing for the past, I don't know how many vlogs now, but Randy got a day off of work, Robert's off work, so I guess we all just go look at it and see what we're gonna do about it. Hopefully we get some type of progress done today. Is that him right there? Oh. Got the Randy's, and the seat is actually not that bad. I mean, I kind of prefer the Bride better because it snugs me up, but the comfortability, this one's actually not that bad. So it's pretty cool. Just a little too wide for me, but other than that, it's straight. I don't like these shits. I like the reclinable one. Like, I like it. It probably can fit your fat ass now.
I fit my fat ass in the other one, you dumbass.
Which one feels better?
I like the other one better.
Because it's tight, it snugs you up, right? Yeah, same. I'm calling about that the for rent sign you have on the south.
Yeah, I don't have anything at the moment. What type of business did you have?
Just looking to get a shop with a buddy of mine.
Yeah, what kind of shop?
What kind of shop we were looking to get? Like just like a, I guess like just yeah, like work on our personal cars. Like nothing too.
Yeah, I wouldn't be interested if I have a spot. The automotive industry is just too messy and the insurance is too high. Appreciate it. Thank you, though.
All right, thank you, man.
That was kind of rude.
Yeah, that was rude as shit.
So we can't say automotive, but it says auto plumbing.
Yeah, that's what Chris was told him. He was like, oh, it had like a lift in there. You can fit 4 cars in there. It used to be an auto place, but the guy went out of business. So this is what me and Randy's come to look at, a spot like this, because the bays are pretty big. It's like that. It's like a bay like that. You got an upstairs for storage. And yeah, you can fit like 4 cars in there, man. And they're all like the same, but a little bit different. Oh, look at that barnyard find of a Civic, boy. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like right here.
I mean, like park shit, like.
Robert said you're gonna park the RS6 here, boy. You're gonna be a derelict fine boy. Got a barnyard RS6 fine. Yeah, that's the office right there. You walk in, there's the office. And then, cause the bay, like I don't wanna come mess with this guy's thing over here. But like it's something like this. Like, it's like narrow. Like it's narrow in. And then like, it's wide. Like that. It's just like that. It's a very nice spot in there. You can fit literally 4 cars in there. You throw a lift up there, put a car in a lift.
Throw a lift in the back, like
in the back. Yeah. And you can have one right there too. Like you could drive it up a little bit. Cause I mean, this might be different from how that one is. Like that might not have that little thing, the air compressor little thing there. Cause like that's what Chris said. Is like it's narrow when you go in, but it's wide as soon as you walk in there. It's wide. The search continues, boys. The search continues. Hopefully we can find somebody selling something and not being an asshole about it. You be your own realtors, bro. Your own realtors. Well, that was a bust. Couldn't find stuff. Gotta wait for the homie V to give us his connects and stuff like that. Connect us a spot. So get our coffee. Get our coffee.
Oh hell yeah.
Let's go get our coffee, bro. If you go to Dunkin' Donuts, I'm gonna push y'all on game real quick. Y'all ever go to Dunkin'? Yeah, I go to a Baskin Robbins infused with the Dunkin'. That's a good word I used. Get the cappuccino blast. It's like ice cream and coffee mix. It's like the best ever, bro. The best ever. Now you guys have been put up to speed. Shout out to my man James Pumphrey over at Donut Media for that. No copyright here, boys. The cappuccino blast.
That's on you. Okay. That's like the worst drink anybody can make here.
Oh, yeah. Why, it doesn't taste the same or something?
No, it tastes good. Just that's why you like this. Such a process. Nope. You got me so bent. I'm not going to make it there with air now. Make the sandwich, please. When she doesn't do it.
I'm starving. I haven't eaten in weeks. Hold on. Why you been hogging mine so much, huh?
I'm not.
Yo, you ain't seen me the shot of my front end picture, fool.
Oh, yeah.
I need that for my Ventus people, my sponsorship people. Yeah, bro, I got my new seat.
Yeah, that's what's up, bro. That's
Yes,
real.
sir. Yeah, it's real, bro.
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah, it's my friend.
you don't have to do it, but I got tires if you can mount them on, balance them.
Honey, mount people tire for free. Who I know? I don't know you, mine.
Just now wrapped up our little photo shoot. Shout out to my homie Jqwun. Follow him here if you want a shot. If you're in the Treasure Coast area, you need some shits done, like some shots, some trots, blah blah blah. That's your man. Link down below to him. Got Great Value Bills in the building, aka Low Inertia. Got you. His link down below. My man Ride Daddy Dollars, link down below. Oh, that shit clean. We sound like Trick Daddy, boy. Ride Daddy Dollars, boy.
You guys want to check out some real drifting content? Watch my stuff.
Damn, who you throwing shade at, bro?
No, I said drifting.
You said real drifting, boy.
Oh!
Yeah, hold on.
I want to watch some actually good drift
There you go.
vlogs.
There you
Watch
go.
my
There you
videos.
go. My cosign, trust me, it's actually quality. Link down below to his YouTube channel and Instagram and all that other. Yo! Welcome to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you thought the video was dope in any shape or form, can you please do the follow button? If you can, do the follow. Slap that like button for your boy. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Most importantly, Marauder hoodie, Marauder shirts are now available for purchase. For the -40 of y'all asking, yo, Zosh, when you dropping this stuff? Link is down below. First link down below to go check out the Marauder merch. Thank you for all the support you guys been giving me over the past, year now that I've been really getting like crazy amount of support. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys thought this video was dope in any way, shape, or form. And if you did think it was dope, smack the like button. That's all. I ain't gonna yell at this time because you know I'm saying, let y'all out. You know what I'm saying? Huh? But thank y'all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.